Hello and welcome to Meet the Boss TV. In this program we talk with Clive Sawkins about a cloud-based marketing solution that may have equal appeal to the CIO. We're on the cusp of a significant pivot in the ad technology sector. Cloud computing means IT can spin up test environments quickly, working more like marketing. And marketing want to take more control of their digital technology investments, just like IT. Clive Sawkins is the CEO for BCS Global. His Cloudmedia product offers visual communications via the cloud and a whole lot more. Vital to its success, he believes, is that it answers the return on investment issue.
The historic data that's been available to organizations to quantify and qualify how direct their marketing campaigns have been in this area have been very loose for a long period of time. What everyone has always wanted is a complete integrated marketing campaign that brings all the medium together as one and all the branding and identity as one, irrespective of the device medium that's being delivered over. Why would the device in this day and age actually matter?
Well, let's look at that. I mean, I completely agree with you. I think the CMO does just want to manage a campaign, completely regardless of platform or technology or anything. How does something like Cloudmedia, how does it help do that?
So I think Cloudmedia, and it's not just us as a cloud provider that has the magic to do this. Cloud technology has been around for a long period of time. Cloud technology started as changing the way people look at how you deliver solutions to a business, moving some of the common infrastructure away from the IT department and physical servers to virtual servers. Now what's happening is, and not just in the cloud media space, people are looking at the cloud in the next way forward and saying, well, actually, how can I use that variable infrastructure that's device independent for more business related applications? And where Cloudmedia fits in is quite straightforward. Not only do we have a cloud-based platform that can be turned up or turned down on demand, it can be used by organizations for piloting technology, piloting a campaign, being very focused in a specific area without huge investments that the CIOs typically don't want to make. So where we come into play, we see ourselves as a bridge, very much helping both the CIO and the infrastructure teams in an organization and the CMO come together as one on our shared platform.
And how about, if we can, it's always good to back these things up, to share any case studies, examples, ways where you've made a difference.
So that becomes quite easy to answer once you get the basics right, because the business case starts to work for many organizations. If I look at a recent example with a customer, a leisure organization that wanted to trial audience measurement technology, where they have a number of venues, where they have huge diversification of the type of events that they run, that they want to target campaigns at specific individuals, whether that be a concert, whether that be a horse racing meeting, whether that be a Sunday morning event of some sort that they want to run at this outside event place. And what they've used is existing campaigns coming together as one, linked to audience measurement, that they can actually target the individuals as they walk through the venue, be very focused and link the audience measurement technology directly to their point of sale and understand the difference it makes between pushing the campaign and the dollars that come through the point of sale equipment. That becomes very important. If I look at another way of doing it, because the platform is totally interactive, it has an open API, a programming interface that allows the content to be manipulated in real time. You can actually do it in reverse. So in a retail environment, we take our integration capability and link it to the point of sale equipment. We actually know what's in the store in real time and can change the content depending on what's on the shelf at any one point in time. Link that to audience measurement and you get a very focused campaign that allows you to increase the revenue yield per individual. That's what both organizations want. They've already got many elements of the solution. What we do is bring them all together in one architecture.
How does something like this help that sort of CIO, CMO relationship?
So I used the term that we're a bridge earlier on, and I firmly do believe that to be the case, because we've built a global cloud-based solution for Cloudmedia. We understand the technology and the drivers for the CIO and the IT department. We understand that they want flexibility in the platform. They want to be able to manage it. They want to make sure it's secure. They want to control the data that's going through it. Absolutely. But you then get to the CMO organization that has almost the opposite criteria to the CIO department and what's going on. So, of course, they're always going to bump heads. They want a platform that's flexible, one that they can be creative on, one that they can run pilots on. They probably actually don't know how much hardware they need or how much computing power, depending on the success of the campaigns, and also depending on the content that you're driving through it, whether it's real-time video, streaming, and all the rest of it, has a dramatic effect on the computing power being used. So having a cloud-based platform that you can turn up and turn down on demand, depending on the size of the marketing campaign, really does work for both. But from my point of view, it doesn't end there. How can we also help the CMO department? Well, we actually have something called the Creative Circle. That's our designers, our graphics people, our platform people that understand how to get the best of the content these organizations have and optimize it for digital media to run on our platform. So they can actually come to us and we can help craft the right messages, re-image the content, make sure it's integrated correctly. And when they want to use audience measurement or near-field communications or RFID, we actually have the expertise in-house to help them do that integration, whereas an IT department often won't have those skills and they'll outsource them. So we really can be the bridge between both worlds because we have the in-depth knowledge of how to implement the cloud and make it work, and how to help the CMO deliver the messages with the content that they have.
I know you touched on it, you mentioned it in fact, earlier, the real-time data.
Well, the data mining element of the solution is absolutely key to that. Understanding the dwell time, how long people are looking at the adverts, which ones they turn to, which ones they don't, which is the age bracket, which is the gender of who's looking at the content at any point in time, and changing that data around. Because of the way we've built the solution using audience measurement built into the architecture, manipulating it and measuring the content of what's going on at any one point in time on any of the screens, we're then able to take that data to the CMO departments and show them how to mine it and actually line it up for optimization. So we have that set of skills within the business as well. We're not just a technical organization, we're not just a creative organization, we actually have those business analytics skills to help the CMO department understand how they can get the best of the campaigns, the optimization cycle that then finishes and goes all the way around again. And that's key because we can help them mine that information, and that really does prove out that original question that we started at today, which was how do you justify the expenditure in this particular area, and how do you know you're getting a return for that investment?
For more fantastic interviews directly related to your business, be sure to explore Meet the Boss TV.